Welcome back to my channel. On 10th day of Navratri, sometimes 9th day, people celebrate Ayudha Pooja. Ayudha Pooja literally means worship of instruments, weapons. It is part of the Navratri Duseera festival, usually celebrated on the 9th day, Mahanvami. On this day, people worship the tools of their trade, whether it is books, weapons, vehicles, plows, machinery, or computers, because these are considered forms of divine energy that help us in our daily life and livelihood. Why is it celebrated? Victory of good over evil. According to mythology, Goddess Durga defeated the demon Mahishasur during Navratri. On the next day, Vijayadashami, weapons used in this divine battle were worshipped. This tradition continued as Ayudha Pooja. Expression of gratitude. Just as we thank God for food during harvest festivals, Ayudha Pooja is about thanking the instruments, tools, and knowledge that sustain us. Farmers worship plows, traders worship their ledgers, soldiers worship weapons, students worship books, and professionals worship their work tools. Purification of work life. It signifies that work is worship, karma is divine. By honoring tools, we recognize that our daily work is sacred and guided by divine energy. Significance of Ayudha Pooja. Spiritual significance reminds us that divinity exists not only in temples but also in our workplace and daily duties. Cultural significance promotes respect for one's profession and instruments of livelihood. Social significance brings families, workers, and communities together in prayer, strengthening harmony. Practical significance: cleaning and maintaining tools, vehicles ensures they last longer and are kept in good condition. In short, Ayudha Pooja is a day to worship knowledge, strength, and work tools, seeking blessings for success, safety, and prosperity.